You guys, from the tower there, you can have the view of Kathmandu city. Actually, this is what is so special and unique about.
Hello Madrid.
Hi.
Hello Madrid.
Hello Madrid. Yeah. Kamavinga. Yes. Everyone say that.
Yeah, where are you from?
I'm from Africa, South Sudan.
South Sudan.
Yeah. You are from?
I'm from Nepal.
Okay. So this is new road, right?
This is Kicha Pokhari.
Kicha?
Kicha Pokhari.
Okay.
New road is beside this.
Beside that.
Yeah.
Okay. What is famous in new road?
New road. You have to try lassi.
Lassi.
Yeah. That's the meat of goat. And then cardamom.
Come this side.
It is very sweety. You have to try it.
Lassi, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
Nice.
found in Indrachuk.
Okay. And brother, there is one doubt. Like people say this is Balen city. Why is it said like that?
Okay, before here the mayor is one person. He didn't do anything. It's all polluted here and there.
Okay.
But Balen is mainly a rapper.
Yeah, Valencia, that man, right?
No.
His name is
Balen.
Balen.
And
Oh.
he's a rapper and engineer. And he did rap before. But
He
later he became a mayor of Kathmandu.
Okay.
And then he do construction here. He made there is before they are all parking here.
Oh.
Now he cancelled here. And this
Okay.
is open road. And
Okay.
you see there he made the footpath bigger.
Okay.
Yeah?
That guy only.
Yeah, that they
Wow.
only made this.
That's why they call it
called
Balen city.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, because when I was searching in YouTube about Kathmandu, I see Balen city. I used to wonder what is Balen city. I searched in Google, then I found that guy is a rapper.
Yeah.
And now the 15 mayor of Kathmandu.
Yeah.
That's
I have
really.
to go here. I have to go. Leave.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Nepal.
Thank you. Yeah, new road from this way.
Yeah, this
Right.
road.
Left or right?
Left, right, both new
Left,
road.
right. Okay.
If you go left, you visit Kathmandu, historic place of Nepal. It is in the World Heritage Site.
Okay. And if I go right?
Right,
Market,
you go the
market.
Same, you are there road here. This main road. You will reach there.
Okay. Thank you, brother. Okay. Wow. So welcome to Balen city, guys. They said before this city wasn't like this. Like because of this 15 mayor, Balen, he improved and he developed a lot of the a lot of the stuff here. Like you can see, they used to say this road used to be so much crowded, and I don't know much more he improved here. But anyway, I also searched about him, and I found out that he really impact in the improvement of Kathmandu city more than the previous mayor, guys.